We are so much concerned about Nakuru, and we have focused on Nakuru tremendously. As a region that we want to make sure Kenyans don't kill one another. And so we are here today to deliberate as partners on the issues pertaining to hate speech, more specifically, because hate speech, incitement are a major cancer in this country. We call upon all leaders, specifically the political leaders, to be responsible and not to mind only their selfish interest that will finally make Kenya bleed. Hate speech or incitement is only next to corruption in Kenya.
The DPP is in a position to prosecute hate speech and related crimes in any part of this country. So our message is that we are ready and raring to go insofar as hate speech and related crimes is concerned. And the reason we are here is that we want to create a team that then will be able to deal with emerging challenges that may arise in the case of investigation, collection, and presentation of evidence in court. And we are building not capacity just for the prosecutors as well as the investigators, so that they are able then to work in harmony. Because one of the strategies that the DPP is employing is a multi-agency approach, collaboration and cooperation in the investigation and prosecution of these particular cases.
Nakuru is one of the 8 hotbeds, as he has said, and currently we have 4 cases that are ongoing in court, though not entirely from Nakuru, but on hate speech. Our message is that those people, those group, they should desist from those utterances that can bring about, they can start contempt, ethnic contempt, and therefore, being that Nakuru is a cosmopolitan county and with very many of the ethnic groups, it's very easy for such thing to happen if incited.